Pretty good, right? Yeah, I think that's the first time I put music in any of my videos. This is called Retexture. It's a new feature within Midjourney. I pay for a Midjourney account, so apologies if you don't have access to this. I don't know if it's available in the free version. That would be really cool. I hope it is. So what this is you can feed Midjourney a render or a photo. In our case, if we create something in Nomad Sculpt, you could feed it to Midjourney. So let me just show you. I'm in Midjourney. This is the Midjourney homepage. If we come over to the edit here on the left, click on this. There's an edit and retexture tab. So the edit, I'll just show you quickly. It's kind of like Photoshop generative fill. You would kind of pick a spot and then type in a prompt and it would regenerate just that area that you masked. So I'll undo that. Let's go to the retexture tab. This is the one that I wanted to do. So let me show you the initial image. So that's the original image. And then I'm just going to give it a new prompt. Create a modern looking hotel room. Give it some colors, emerald and gold colors. And then I'll just hit enter. I sped this up a little bit. It doesn't take long, but I just sped it up anyways. So you'll get 4 renders. And if you use Midjourney, you're used to that. I'm going to go over it, click the upscale to gallery, and then we have to come over to our create tab to see our upscaled image, because I just want to show you this in more detail. Take a look at the comparison to these two images. Like the last one I did, this really colorful neon one. The prompt for that one was create a room with slime on the walls and furniture. I don't know how slimy it actually was, but the color, like the creativity of like the colors that came out of it were really fun. And I thought this was cool. So yeah, this is a good comparison. You can see how the couch and the pillows and everything about it, the lamp and the flowers, it's all maintained. It didn't change anything. Like I said, you can, like in Nomad, the more detail you add, the better, I think. But you could just create like a small scene. You could create a character. You could create, I haven't tried characters, so I'm not sure how well it'll turn out yet. But just for this scene, so here's the upscale version if we look at it. Let me compare it to the other one. I mean, you can see how it's changed nothing about the composition, just the colors and the textures are really cool. So we can make something in Nomad Sculpt and just feed it with no textures on in our Nomad Sculpt, no textures, colors, and just bring it in here. And here's some other renders. And all you have to do is prompt it and say, like, I want it to look like a log cabin, luxury hotel, casual, dungeon. I think this was just like a cigar room, Christmas looking themes here. Pastels. There's a wall that's kind of glass that you can see to the outside. There's water on the floor on this one, made out of mirrors, made out of ice. All these prompts, it's so much fun to like explore this. So I hope you'll try it. If you're into it. I know that AI can be it's a hot topic. You can be very anti, but if you're into it, I think the really cool part of this is that you're not just asking it to make something from scratch. You fed it something that you created and you just want to see some ideas for how it might be textured. So anyways, I'd love to see what you guys make with this. That's all I have for you. I just wanted to let you know that this tool exists, and it kind of would be like a great sort of inspiration, or if you just want it to be the final finishing pass for your 3D render, go for it. All right, thanks for watching. Keep making things, and I'll see you next time.